This video tutorial I will explain Microsoft Word. What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a computer program used to create, edit and format documents. You can use it to write letters, resumes, reports, schoolwork and more. You can use Microsoft Word on a computer, laptop or even mobile device. How to open Microsoft Word? Click on the Microsoft Word icon on your desktop or from the Start menu. When it opens, you can choose to start a new blank document or use a template, like for resumes or letters. Understanding the Word window. First one is title bar, which shows the name of your document. Here you can see the title bar, which shows name of your document. Next one is ribbon, a menu with buttons grouped under tabs like Home, Insert, Layout, Design. Here you can see the ribbon. Here you can see the buttons with different tabs. Next one is document area, the white page where you type. Here you can see the document area. Next one is cursor, the blinking line that shows where your text will appear. Here you can see the cursor. Next one is status bar, which shows page number, word count and language. Here you can see the status bar, which shows page number, number of words and the language. Typing and editing text. Just click and start typing on the blank page. To edit the text, use your mouse or arrow keys to move the cursor. Use backspace to delete letters before the cursor. Use delete to remove the letters after the cursor. Formatting text. You can change how your text looks using Home tab. Bold makes your text thicker. Shortcut is Ctrl plus B. Italic slants your text. Shortcut is Ctrl plus I. Underline adds line under the text. Shortcut is Ctrl plus U. Font change the style of the letters. Font size make text bigger or smaller. Text color change the color of the letters. Alignment align text to the left, center, right or justify. Saving your work. Click on File Save or press Ctrl plus S. Then choose the folder and type the name of your file. Then click on Save to keep your document safe. You can also click File Save As to save a new copy or to save in different format. Now we will see how to inserting items. Go to the Insert tab to add things to your document. You can add pictures like photos from your computer. You can add tables and organize data in rows and columns. You can add shapes. You can add arrows, circles, and other shapes. You can add text box to type separately from the main text. You can add header and footer, and you can add text to top or bottom of every page. Page layout and design. Use layout or design tab to change how your page looks. Margins. Space around the edge of the page. Orientation. Choose portrait, which is tall, or landscape, which is wide. Page size. Choose A4, letter, or other paper sizes. How to use bullets and numbering. Bullet list. Click on bullets to make a list with dots. Click on numbering to make a list with numbers. We will see how to do that. Control plus C is used to copy the selected text. Control plus X is used to remove the selected text. Control plus V is used to places the copied or cut text where your cursor is. How to check spelling and grammar? Click on Review tab. Click Spelling and Grammar to check for mistakes. Word will show you red lines for spelling errors and blue lines for grammar issues. How to print your document? Open Print menu by clicking on File Print. Then select the printer. Then select the number of copies. Then click on Print. We will see how to do that. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.